What's going on, guys? We're back with some Twilight Masquerade. It's your boy, Manchild, Nate, with Nate's SCG. Let's see if we can get anything today. Hope you guys all are doing well. It's a wonderful Friday here. Nice and chilly. I forgot the code card. You guys get double code cards. Boop. Hope that came out well. Hope you guys were able to get it. Let's get that Eevee or the Heracross, or the Infernape, something gold. Let's go. Farfetch'd. Let's do it. Torkoal. We got something. It's probably a holo. Kadabra. We got this. Hawlucha. Galai. Let's go. Leave me a comment, guys. How your week's been. If you're gonna try to get that Destin Rivals ETB or any of the product, and we're gonna what are we gonna get? Walking Wake, a knockoff Suicune. I hate that card. Suicune's better. Deuces.